Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 9. Chapter 24. Asking for someone's occupation. What do you do for work? What kind of work do you do? What is your profession? Where do you work? What is your job title? What industry are you in? Do you have a career or a job? Can you tell me about your line of work? Are you currently employed? What field are you in? What company do you work for? What do you do for a living? What are your job responsibilities? Do you like your job? What led you to your current job? Can you describe your typical workday? What skills are required for your job? What level of education is required for your job? Do you work full-time or part-time? What are the biggest challenges in your line of work? Have you always worked in this industry? What inspired you to pursue this career? Can you tell me more about your position? How long have you been in this profession? What was your first job? Are you happy with your career path? Do you see yourself in this field for the long term? What kind of training is required for your job? What is the most interesting project you've worked on? Can you recommend any resources for learning more about your industry? Chapter 25. Talking about your own occupation. I work as a teacher. My job is accountant. I'm employed as a software engineer. I'm a doctor by profession. My occupation is lawyer. I have a career in marketing. I'm in the field of public relations. I'm a financial analyst specialist. I'm a sales expert. I'm a professional graphic designer. I work in engineering. I'm involved in healthcare. My work centers around education. I'm responsible for managing finances in my job. I help clients with legal issues in my job. I work with students in my job. My job involves designing websites. My role is to manage projects. I provide consulting services to my clients. I'm responsible for managing a team of developers. I oversee marketing initiatives in my job. I'm a business consultant. I'm a writer freelancer. I'm a social media entrepreneur. I work for Microsoft. I'm self-employed as a photographer. I run my own restaurant. I started my own online store in 2020. I have 10 years of experience in human resources. I'm passionate about my work in environmental conservation.